You got into college. Now what? Congratulate yourself. Getting into college is a huge accomplishment. Make sure you take time to soak it all in and celebrate with your friends and family, and relax because you did it. Consider another campus visit. Once you're accepted, you'll see campus in a whole new way. Here at Bucknell, you could do a day in the life tour where you can shadow a student's class or even grab coffee with a current student. Another way you can get back to campus is Admitted Students Day. You can interact with students and professors and get to know the campus even better. Create a to-do list. Make sure you plan out your next steps so you don't miss important deadlines like housing and class registration. Go over your financial aid package. Review your options with your family, and if you have any questions here at Bucknell, the financial aid staff is a great resource. Thank your high school counselor. They played a huge role in the application process, so make sure you show them your appreciation. Finish high school well. Make sure you maintain good grades and stay involved as you prepare for your college career. Consider these tips after you've been accepted to college, and your first day on campus will be great. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. If you have ideas for future videos, put them in the comments below.